Snow-covered tracks turn into dangerous paths for trains every winter. In freezing temperatures, rails contract, switches freeze, and snow piles up rapidly. Snowplow trains are deployed to clear the tracks. These powerful machines plow through thick snowbanks, throwing snow high into the air with roaring force, clearing the way for the next train. Trains equipped with rotary snowplows can cut through snow up to 10 feet deep. Their spinning blades slice through drifts and hurl the snow aside like a snowstorm in reverse. Watching these machines in motion is both mesmerizing and intimidating. It's a high-risk job in extreme cold and limited visibility. The U.S. Federal Railroad Administration, snow-related delays cost rail companies over $100 million annually. Despite the preparation, train schedules often suffer. Delays due to snow and ice affect not only passengers, but also cargo delivery. Goods arrive late, supply chains are disrupted, and economic losses grow. In 2022 alone, over 15,000 freight train trips were delayed in the U.S. due to severe winter conditions. Also causes serious visibility issues for train engineers. Deep snow can hide signals, cover crossings, or obscure obstacles on the tracks. One misjudgment, 1 second of blindness, and disaster can strike. Engineers rely heavily on communication systems and track sensors during snowy weather. When the snow turns to ice, things get even worse. Ice can freeze switches and signals solid. Rail companies deploy crews with torches, heaters, and de-icing fluids to restore function. But even with these efforts, train traffic slows to a crawl, sometimes halting completely. Some of the most dramatic winter scenes involve trains slamming into walls of snow at full speed. The front of the train acts like a battering ram, sending snow flying in every direction. It's breathtaking and also dangerous. These moments often go viral, but they're also a reminder of the risks. Winter train accidents are rare but devastating. Derailments caused by icy tracks or hidden obstacles have led to serious injuries and fatalities. In Sweden, a 2019 accident during a blizzard involved a commuter train derailing after hitting compacted snow. Several passengers were injured and the route was closed for days.
Snow on the tracks and a train has got to get through, and it just plows through. In just a second, you can see it as it goes on by. It's pretty impressive video coming down.
Totally. They have those.
Boom! There it is.
There's the, what is it, the device they have on the front to sort of just push it along. That's awesome. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Technology has helped reduce the impact of winter. Infrared sensors monitor track conditions, and smart switches can resist freezing. In Japan, high-speed trains like the Shinkansen use heated tracks and snow-blocking structures to maintain punctuality even in deep snow. Still, nature often wins. Massive snowfalls can bury tracks faster than machines can clear them. In extreme cases, train service is suspended for safety. Crews work around the clock, battling freezing winds and whiteout conditions to reopen the lines. It's a fight of steel versus snow. Railway workers in winter are heroes in hidden uniforms. They defrost frozen systems, repair ice-damaged tracks, and sometimes even dig trains out of snowbanks by hand. Their dedication keeps the rails running when roads are closed and planes are grounded. Passengers, too, experience winter's fury firsthand. Delays stretch for hours, trains stall in the middle of nowhere, and cold creeps in through the windows. Still, there's something magical about watching snowflakes fall outside while the train thunders ahead safe, warm, and determined. Train companies now use AI-powered weather forecasting to prepare in advance. When heavy snowfall is predicted, routes are altered, backup engines are prepared, and snowplows are deployed early. These proactive steps have helped reduce delays and accidents in recent years. Some rail routes are closed completely during extreme weather. In Norway, for instance, mountain lines are shut down during avalanches and blizzards. This avoids tragic incidents, but isolates small communities on those trains. Helicopters can send emergency flights. Watching a train plow through snow is a powerful image, steel slicing through silence, lights cutting the fog, and snow exploding off the tracks. It's not just a feat of transportation. It's a symbol of progress against the weight of nature. The sound alone is unforgettable. Winter trains are a blend of elegance and brute force. Their glowing headlights and steady rhythm contrast the wild chaos of snowstorms. Every flake that lands on the rails is a challenge, and every journey through snow is a quiet triumph of determination.
Another good one.
CN 834, advance clear to stop. 2 Pyramid.
Another good one.
Temperature -1 C. Total axle.
Advance. Another good one.
So the next time you see a train bursting through snow, remember the effort behind it. From engineers to maintenance crews, from dispatchers to drivers, hundreds work behind the scenes to make the journey possible, one snowy mile at a time. Snow may cover the tracks, but it cannot stop the journey. Steel wheels, burning engines, and unstoppable force push forward through ice and time. These are more than trains, they're proof that even in the harshest storms, motion never stops. This is the story of Winter on the Rails, a story of challenge, technology, danger, and determination. The snow falls, the wind howls, but the train moves on.